Step 1. Select a healthy cutting. Choose a healthy, disease-free branch from a mature guava tree. The ideal cutting is semi-hardwood, firm but not too woody, about 6 to 8 inches long, with at least 2 to 3 nodes. Then peel and apply the aloe vera to the cutting area gently for root development. Step 2. Prepare the plastic cup. Use a clear plastic cup, cut it one side and poke several drainage holes at the bottom. Fill it with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cocoa peat plus compost plus perlite works great. After 45 days. 45 days later, leaves, buds, and guava flower are growing very fast in a few places on the branch. Step 3. Cutting the branch and ready to plant. Take out the clear cup aside and you can see roots are growing. After, take the cup away, then take a garden scissors and cut the branch. Step 4. Plant the cutting. You can plant the cutting in a pot or directly plant it to the good soil. After 90 days, you will get a guava tree full of fruits and taste great in your home or in your garden. Please subscribe to Smart Garden channel to get daily videos about gardening.